see in front of me DOOGEE S98 and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So let's first open the settings and then we should tap here to the sound section. After that we can see, the ring and notification volume panel. Now ringtone is muted, and if you want to unmute your device ringtone, you should swipe this dot to the right side with your finger by this way. Also we can do it by the second way, but first be sure that here in default volume button control you have selected ringtone. To use volume buttons here on the right side of our device, just to change the ringtone, not to the media. And after that, just by press up volume button, we can also unmute our device ringtone, and we can do it by this way, just by slide this volume panel with our finger. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.